What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another video. So while we wait for my M1 Mini to update to Mac OS Monterey, I figured I'd do a quick video showing you guys how you can change the icons on Mac. It's actually really cool, and I'm pretty OCD about it, and I'll show you guys a quick example on how to change these icons. It's really quite cool. So I want to put Blob Saver into my dock, but I hate that it's obviously a weird different shape than the rest of the icons. It just doesn't match. It sticks out. If you guys are familiar with the check rain one, I actually did a custom icon for that, and also the alt server as well. The alt server icon's normally a circle, and I put the normal kind of Big Sur style icon there. So I want to do the same to Blob Saver. So the first thing you need to remember is you need to take that icon out of the dock because it's not going to update it in real time. So if I change it in my applications here, it won't change it on the dock. I'm pretty sure if you were to restart your computer it would, but I like to just remove it for the time being. And now we're gonna go ahead and go into Google Chrome. Of course, you could do this in Safari or whatever you like to use. And all you gotta do is go to this website. The link will be down in the description. And then all you gotta do is search for an application, and if there's an icon for it, it will be available. So I'm looking for, not blog, Blob. So right here, Blob Saver, as you can see, there is an icon for it, and it looks much better because it does match the rest of the icons on my Mac. So I'm just going to click on it to download it, and download begins. And that's all we needed the Google Chrome for. Now in our downloads, we have this icon. Now I like to just put it into a folder I have here of random stuff that I like to use, so I'll just put it in there. And now to change the icon, it's really quite simple. So we're going to right click on Blob Saver. We're going to get info, and now we have this information right here. So now all we got to do is drag and drop this new icon onto this icon. As you can see, when I hover over it, it gives you that little plus button. So go ahead and just drop it there, and boom, bada bing, it has updated the icon to the new one, and it looks much better. And now I can take this and go ahead and throw it in my dock, and it matches the rest of the icons. I thought that was a really cool trick. Just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.